Before installation, remove the original spoiler, if applicable. Important: if you have a Mercedes AMG GT GTS, or GT, the spoiler base from the AMG GTR must be installed before installing the spoiler. Apply masking tape to both sides of the trunk lid, facing the spoiler mounts visible on the spoiler base. Then, position the carbon fiber spoiler on the spoiler base as you intend to install it. Carefully check the position of the spoiler mounts, and then trace their location on the masking tape. Place the seal in the marked area. Trace the seal holes on the tape. Next, drill holes in the trunk lid at the traced points. Then, open the trunk lid and, from underneath, drill holes in the lower part of the trunk lid, facing the drilled holes. Place the spoiler upside down on a secured table. Place the spoiler mounts on the spoiler and thread the power cable through the mount. Then, apply anti-rotation adhesive to the mounting bolt threads and screw the mounts to the spoiler. Next, place the power cable through the hole in the trunk lid, ensuring it also passes through the seal. Place the spoiler on the spoiler base and on the trunk lid seals. Apply anti-rotation adhesive to the threads of the mounting bolts and insert the bolts into the mounting holes, with the bolt heads facing outward. From the inside, place the nuts in the mounting holes and lightly screw the spoiler to the spoiler base. Apply insulation to the ends of the wires. Connect the wires using a soldering iron. Then, secure the solder joint with insulation. From the underside of the trunk lid, secure the spoiler to the trunk lid using the mounting bolts. Apply anti-rotation adhesive to the bolt threads. Tighten the mounting bolts securely. Then, tighten all remaining mounting screws. Done.